These are Photoshop pictures created with the use of AI, and they are very, very, very beautiful. As you can see, I want to teach you how you can do this. And after teaching you, trust me, you won't go to a photo studio anymore. If you love what you're seeing, do hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and share to your friends that might have interest in this. Alright, guys, we're going to create something like this. So, what I'm going to do, I will show you how to get the prompts. Now, I have a community where I share prompts on different photos. That is where I'm going to drop the prompts so that after this video, you check the comment section and then you can go there and join the community and get the prompt. We have series of prompts up to 100. All right, guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. This is Imato Complete. Now, in this channel, we share a lot of tips on how you can make money online without investment, right? No investment. Let's go to our tutorial straight up. So, we're going to go to our Chrome. Already, I have copied the prompt that I want to use, pardon, and that prompt is what we are going to use. So, we're going to head over to Google Gemini. You can decide to download the app if you want to download the app. I'm going to use the web version because I'm using my phone and I want you guys to see. So even with the app, you can also use your phone. All right. So these are series of variations that I've generated, images that are very clean and they are very, very natural. All right. I'm going to show you how you can do this right now, and then you yourself, you're going to be wow about the result. All right. So we want to generate something like that initial one where he was holding a camera and then you have a leopard standing close to him. That is what we want to generate. So I just pasted the prompt that I used to generate this, that we'll use to generate this image. The prompt says cinematic wildlife photography of a man in a khaki safari vest and olive green. Now, this prompt is in my Telegram channel. All right, I will leave the prompt link for you. I'll leave the link for you to join the Telegram channel. And from that channel, you will see more than hundreds of prompts that you will want to use. Trust me, guys. When you get to that channel, you will love what is happening over there. So you have a lot of prompts and you have a lot of variations that have been developed. So after you paste this prompt, the next thing you're going to do is for you to hit on this plus button and then you're going to upload the image, right? The image that you have, that is your photo, right? So you're going to upload that photo. What we are trying to do, this photo is going to take over the shape, it's going to take over the scene of the generation. So it is you, your face, and your own body style that is going to be there, right? The AI is just going to study your face, your nose, your eyes, and everything, and give you exactly you. So it will just be like a magic of you, a second version of you. And it's very, very clever, right? So guys, I've uploaded my photo there. Then the next thing I'm going to do is just for me to hit on this send button. This one over here. All right. Let's see how it goes. So immediately you hit on this send button, it's just going to start generating. All right. So when it's generating, you're going to wait for some few seconds. It doesn't really take time during generation. As you can see, it's generating now. So guys, remember I said I'm going to leave the link for my Telegram channel so that you can go in there and get a lot of prompts. I can't paste all the prompts on my comment section or so, but go to my Telegram channel, collect whatever prompt you want. You see different variations of images that are produced there, and then you can decide to do the one that you want to do, right? So with this, you can even decide to be generating image for people and you make thousands of dollars, all right? I'm not promising you it's a get rich scheme, but you should know that when you are generating something like this, people don't have the time to build something like this. But you can build something like this and you can make a lot of money by charging them maybe $10 a day. You can make that. You can charge $2 per photo, right? And then you can make a lot of money. You can produce this for brands, for company, depend on whatever you want to do. So guys, don't forget to like and share this video. See you on my next video on how to make money online. With these images, you can produce it for a lot of people and they are definitely going to pay you for this. Even from Upwork, you can start working as an AI photo producer and they are still going to pay you for this. See you on my next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye bye.